Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Jada CPR, and today we are going to change the charging port in the Galaxy A14. This phone came into the shop and the customer stated that it was not charging and that he needed a new battery. It seemed kind of odd for the fact that it is a pretty new phone, so we went ahead and did some diagnostics and noticed that it needed a new charge port. So we're going to go ahead and turn off this phone here and we'll get started with the repair. And once the phone completely turns off, go ahead and pop out the SIM card tray, and then you can go ahead and start to pry the phone open with an iSSMO. Be sure to take your time with this, as there is an FVC connector holding the power cable together. Once you get the phone open up, just go ahead and take out all the screws for the backing. This might take some time. And then don't forget to pop the battery first, then the two FCPC ribbon cables there along with the power cable. Go ahead and remove the screws for the bottom casing, and once you get that part off, you're going to reveal the charge port. You can go ahead and pop all the cables off there. You can go ahead and grab your new charge port and just simply take that sticker off, put your new charge port in, reattach the cables. Took a little bit of time to get those cables back in. Once you get them in there, it's pretty straightforward from there. You can go ahead and put the phone all back together from there. But now we're going to go ahead and reattach all the cables back together, put the casing back on, and rescrew everything back in. And once that's done, we can pop the phone all back together and go ahead and plug it in. And as we can see, it is charging again. We'll go ahead and power the phone on, and after that we're just going to make sure that it actually receives power, because that's the main problem. It was not charging at all. And we'll see here in just a moment that it does go up battery percentage. Took it out to the desk, charged it up to 90%, and customer's very happy that he left with a phone that works again.